Today I will show you how to crochet an easy lacy stitch which uses basic crochet techniques. I called it 7 Wonders Stitch because I used it in my free pattern called 7 Wonders Crochet Scarf. It's a rectangular scarf that features 7 colors of yarn. On my website you will find diagrams and written patterns both for the scarf and for the stitch itself, as well as 3 unique colorways. All the links are in the description down below. For this tutorial I used DMC cotton yarn with a 2.5mm crochet hook, but you can use any yarn with a corresponding hook. To start, you need to make a foundation chain of multiple of 3 plus 1, so make a slip knot and go on with your chain stitches. In my case it's 12 stitches plus 1, so I've got 13 stitches overall. 3 is your repeatable module and you need this additional stitch for the sake of the symmetry. Row 1 is half double crochet stitches. Now chain 2, yarn over and insert your hook in this 3rd stitch from the hook. Now pull the yarn through all 3 of the loops. You've got your first half double crochet. Make 1 half double crochet into each stitch of the row. I will meet you there at the end of the row. I'm not counting the 2 chains at the beginning of the row, so I've got 13 stitches. Now chain 1 and turn the work. Work 1 single crochet in the 1st stitch. Make 2 chain stitches, skip 2 stitches. And make 1 single crochet in the 3rd stitch. Now repeat, make 2 chain stitches, skip 2, make 1 single crochet. Continue like so until the end of the row. As you can see, your last stitch will be 1 single crochet. Now chain 2 and turn the work. Yarn over and insert your hook in the first stitch. It's your single crochet from the previous row. Pull the yarn through all 3 loops on the hook. You need to make 2 half double crochets in one, so yarn over again and make another one here. Now aim for another single crochet stitch because you need to make 3 half double crochet stitches here. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch and pull through all 3 loops. Repeat until you have 3 half double crochets worked in this one stitch. Now repeat without making any additional chain stitches. Just aim straight for the next single crochet stitch and make 3 half double crochets there. Your last stitches will be half double crochets into the last single crochet because we need to make a symmetrical end to this row. What you will do now is basically repeating row 2 and 3. Chain 1, turn the work and make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Now make 2 chain stitches and skip 2 stitches. Work 1 single crochet in the third stitch. Your third stitch should be in the middle half double crochet of the 3 from the previous row, and your last stitch of the row should be 1 single crochet. Now if you want to change colors, you need to stop before finishing the last stitch of the row. In this case, you should have all 3 loops of the unfinished half double crochet still on your hook. Take another color of yarn and keep it in the back of your work. Now finish your stitch using the new color, but remember to keep the yarn with your fingers so that it doesn't slip out. You can now continue normally, so make a turning chain, turn the work, and go on with the instructions for the row you're currently on. And that's it, my friends. I very much recommend you taking a look at my website because you will find a lot of resources there, diagrams, written instructions, photo tutorials, and a free crochet pattern I mentioned earlier. The project is called 7 Wonders Crochet Scarf and it's great for beginners. So head to my website if you need any more info. All the links are in the description box below. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or would like to see more, please leave suggestions and feedback down below. Thanks and have a creative day!